Hello, welcome back. Today I have a Huawei T3. We're gonna make an unboxing and I'll make a quick review of this tablet. The USB charging cable is a micro USB. I thought this was a USB Type C, but nope, it's a micro USB, so you all know that. The speakers is facing downwards, and I feel that can be a lot of sound quality miss there when you have the tablet in your knee and you lie in bed. You have the power on button and the volume up and down. You have the microphone on top of the tablet. And there's a 5 megapixel rear camera. You have the AUX 3.5 SD micro slot, and then you have a micro USB charger port. The CPU is a quad-core A53 Qualcomm MSM8917, and the operating system is Android and like N for Nougat. The Wi-Fi, you can use the 2.4 GHz band and the 5 GHz band.
One eternity later.
The rear camera is a 5 megapixel autofocus. And the front facing camera is a 2 megapixel fast focus. I'm recording this in the 1080p and it's a rear camera. I have my LED panels on, lighting it up. It's not the best quality of the camera, but for a MediaPad I think the quality is okay. I have used the tablet for a couple of days now. I can say I'm really happy with it. I paid around $100 for it and it's really worth the money. It's kinda thick, the pad. It's not like the more expensive one that has a thinner, but I don't care. It feels really good. I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, and if you really like it, please subscribe to my channel so I can grow. If you didn't like it, take the thumbs down and tell me in the comments below what I can do better next time. I hope you best. Have a good night or a good day. Cheers.